Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the stock which are giving good potential for a trade in the coming trading session, which is tomorrow. Plus we'll be doing some Nifty analysis. So let's begin with the analysis of Nifty. So this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty futures, this current series, and it was an interesting move today, but still we have some things we should be cautious about now. As we have already told and discussed in the previous videos, you can watch those videos as daily videos. We do some analysis on Nifty. So this was the swing which we were expecting to be getting projected to the upside. So as you can see, this was a very ferocious swing. It did complete in 2 days, and from here it has almost reached the expected levels today. So as you can see, we have already received upside targets of 127 extension of this swing plus the 1 to 1 of this, I mean the projected length of this swing to the upside. So these both are already achieved. And one other thing which I wanted to highlight, that this was a single swing, and for reaching this much high in another swing, the price was too much divided into lower swings, multiple swings. So what exactly is happening here? You need to pay attention. Please watch the video in full, otherwise you won't get it. You see, every day Nifty has been mostly gapping up or gapping down. If you see here, Nifty gapped up. There were few people who bought here in the lower range. They kept the Nifty price moving up. They were, when retailer sees that it has gapped up, he jumps around and starts buying. And that was the point. All day people were, the big or smart man you can say, was distributing the quantities here. You see, and again at the later half of the day, Nifty was pushed up again. Enthusiastic retail traders buying into it. Again it gapped up. Then again somebody or the other is distributing these things. You see, the quantities are distributed. Sell targets, sell orders are being distributed. Again later in the day, there was a rally upside, which continued to the first half, or you can say first half an hour. And after that, there was distribution all along. Distribution. Today as well, the same theory continues. It was pushed, gap up, and after that, it has a sharp momentum to the downside. It was having really good distribution. And again, it is all distribution. The momentum to upside is very slow, very uh, lacking speed. So you see, it is started going up somewhere here, but again, it started the lethargic movement here. All right. So this is all distribution going on as per my theory, and we should be at least cautious now. If we are not going to short aggressively, at least we should be booking our profits, or if there are any open positions in the longs, then maybe we should trim it down. So this is what I was thinking to just drop an idea today, because we see most of the targets to the upside which we have already projected in a couple of videos or 3-4 videos prior have already been achieved, right? So what should we expect going forward, maybe in tomorrow and coming trading sessions? If the logic continues again, maybe one couple of days of distribution is still to be contained, then obviously it will open gap up, do some upside momentum, little one, and then again we can see this distribution again. And if this particular range which I have already marked on here, if this is already broken to the downside in the opening tomorrow, then maybe we can expect there's some good momentum to the downside is about to start. Because if you see on a 15-minute chart, once this swing was completed, the big one, we had exactly 61.8 retracement. So if we go with that scenario, then this swing should also see somewhere around 61.8 retracement, closer to this thing. So at least we should be getting cautious. If this is not a complete reversal, I'm not saying that the Nifty will be going to bonkers, but still we can expect for a retracement to the downside. So what should we do in the opening trade tomorrow? So if you see, I have already discussed the scenario. Giving exact levels, it is not possible today because you see, I am pretty much sure we will be having a gap up or gap down. This is what looks like because we were already up today. So possibly if we gap up tomorrow, we should be targeting our trades in the first couple of hours or first hour of the trade. Later half of the day, I would suggest not to enter into trade. It may be a trap. Otherwise, if it is giving a completely downward trend starting, then maybe we should wait for very small swings and get into the trade. If day is trending day means it opens gap down with a ferocity, good momentum, and with a small retracement is keeps on going down. So if you get a small swing and some retracement to enter, just enter and keep trailing instead of booking at 121 extension. Just keep on trailing. This will be a good scenario to trade. So this is it for Nifty. The analysis which we had. We should look for some stocks. I had these stocks here. As you can see, this is the stock which is giving upper higher high. So we'll be opening a buy at 128.5 and SL at 127.2. Target will be 127 extension of this, which is 131.65. First it is RBL Bank. But still I would still want to you to be cautious because I sense that the overall market is getting lethargic. So if we open exactly or down here or we break this low, do not open long trades. Instead look for shorts. This applies to all the stocks which I have picked here. This is Naukri.com. We did not get a fill today, so we'll be expecting a buying around 43.30 with a stop loss around 42.90 and a target of 44.19. Another is Delta Corp. Will be opening a buy trade around 211, SL around 209.75 with a target of this one, which is around 215.8. Next one in this line is JSW Steel, and this is a very volatile stock. So once you get a slowing momentum of downswing, then only open a long trade. If it has a good momentum, it straight away breaks this 2-3 swings here, then stop or avoid going into long. Instead open some shorts. So if we since we are still above this low, so we'll be opening by around 787.5 with SL around 683 below this swing low, and target can be 704.85. So these are the stocks, for tomorrow's trading session. And yeah, trade safely. And if you like the content, share it, like it, and if you have any feedback or suggestion, just drop in the comment section and be replying it back. Till then, happy trading. Thank you.